The Ride family are the world's most popular and versatile range of boards, and for 2017, we've kept all the best bits of their iconic design and award-winning construction. The 9/8, 10/6, and 10/8 Ride boards are designed to deliver unrivaled all-round performance without compromise. If you're under 70 kilograms, you'll get the best out of the 9/8, the smallest of the Ride family. That said, it makes a great surf shape for heavier or slightly more experienced riders, and the RSS battens ensures it delivers unparalleled stiffness, whatever your skill level. If you could only buy one board, we'd tell you to get the 10/6, the world's most popular inflatable SUP and SUP Connect Gear of the Year award winner. Its popularity is down to its versatility. No matter what kind of rider you are, this board will be the perfect fit for you. The 10/8 Ride has all the same qualities as the 9/8 and 10/6, but it's 2 inches wider and has an extra 56 liters of volume, making it incredibly stable. It's perfect for larger riders or those who want to take a small passenger on board. All of our Ride boards come with a Red Paddle Co. backpack, Titan pump, repair kit, and water-resistant phone case.